You understand English, you read English, you can do everything in English. But when time to speak, your mind goes blank. Have you ever thought why it happens? It happens because you translate it from your mother tongue into English. So this is the main reason that is hold you back to learning English, to speaking English fluently. Whenever you have conversation with someone, what you do? You do one thing. Firstly, you think in your native language, then translate it from your mother tongue into English. So it slow down your speech and cut down your fluency. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can think English and how can you speak English fluently without translating from your mother tongue into English. So this video is about to be insane. So watch this video very till the end. So without further delay, let's get into the main part. One thing that you need to do in your spoken English, you have to train your brain to think in English. But how can you train your brain to think in English? I have a solution for you. I'm gonna show you how can you train your brain to think in English. Let me tell you. Instead of saying मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, say I am going to drink water. Instead of saying मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ, say I am going to bath. This is chair. Don't say this is kursi. Say this is chair. These are the book on my table, on my bed. So it will improve your fluency and it will train your brain to think in English. And most important thing that you need to do in your spoken English, immerse yourself in English environment. Every single person who want to learn English as a second language use this technique. So you should also do this. But how can you immerse yourself in English environment? It's very simple. You can immerse yourself in English environment by watching movie, TV shows, Netflix series and everything. There are so many lots of video available on YouTube free of cost that you can use in your English immersion. And in order to become fluent in English, you need to read 10 to 30 page English every single day. It can be anything, but it should be in English. It can be newspaper, it can be English book, it can be your syllabus curriculum. And another most important thing, practice. I love this quote, practice make perfect. In order to become fluent in English, figure out practice partner, whoever you want to practice with. It can be your parents, it can be your classmate, it can be your colleague and anyone. And it can be anybody, whoever you feel comfortable to practice with. Yes, and if you don't have any practice partner, then there are so many AI tutor. You can talk with them. You can use Elsa Speak, you can use Cake and there are so many. I can't recall at this moment, but if you search on Google, you can find it easily. So do practice as much as you can, but at least 20 to 30 minutes you should practice in a day. And vocabulary played significant role in your spoken English. You need to learn 10 to 20 new words in a day. So and use them in your conversation and sentences. And don't learn English to Hindi vocabulary. Learn it English to English. So it will improve your fluency and it will train your brain to understand English as well. Don't memorize vocabulary. Enjoy them. So I am gonna end this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and give it a like and share with your friend who want to fluent in English. Yes. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.